So guys, I got a new product I want to show you guys. This product is from Vevor. They make a lot of tools, so I've had a bunch of their stuff previously. So this is a Hitch receiver Shackle. And here we have it. Super heavy duty. This is for a 2-inch receiver. This thing's heavy. So here's all the load limits and capacities for the Shackle itself. If you're ever going to use this for any kind of recovery modes, anything like that, just whatever comes with the pin to lock it in, this key. Let's go put it on and see what it looks like. So here's our product, and here's our pin itself that I'll go through, and you can see right here that it's lockable. So if you want to leave it on, worried about it getting stolen or anything like that, you can leave that on there. So I'm gonna unlock it. So once you unlock it, you can remove this, and here's your pin itself. This thing is beefy. Put our pin. Try and do this with one hand. So here it is, and you got a spring on one side, and here's your locking side itself. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's your locking mechanism. Has a cap on it, so don't have to worry about it, any rust or any issues like that. So you got a spring on this one side. The Shackle comes with this rubber protective sleeve. You can take that off if you want. Here it is. So to remove it, put over cap. Key has a slot that it goes into, and once you turn it, pops off. There you go. Once that pops off, this whole assembly comes out, so you can slide your pin out the other side. And there it is. This piece right here is a solid block right here, so you can see. So this is super heavy. And here's your ratings, 5,000 kg, and the Shackle. Definitely a good product to have. Here's all the info. I'll put a description of this and a link to this on the description side of the YouTube. And once again, here's all your load limits. So always read the instructions and everything before you use this. The brake strength limit, just thought was pretty cool, 65,000 pounds. Alright guys, here's the product. Good, something good to have in your if you tow or anything like that, or recovery gear as far as pulling anything out using your vehicle. So here it is. Till next time.